everyone, this is Angeline Chacon and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make brownies. Ito na yung mga ingredients natin. Kaya po tayong 5 egg, chocolate chips, meron tayong flour, butter, sugar, baking powder, and chocolate powder. So yan lang kailangan natin. Paghalo natin yung flour, 112 grams, baking powder, 6 grams, cacao powder, 65 grams. So, set aside muna natin. Haluin natin yung mamaya. Next is dark chocolate. Chocolate chips, 112 grams. Butter, 250 grams. I-melt natin yan siya sa mainit na tubig. Dito. Lagay lang natin dito. Plus, itong itlog, 5 itlog at saka sugar na 350. I-mix natin yan siya gamit ng mixer kasi mahirap pag kamay-kamay lang. Here's the finished product.